Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable FPS meter on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search FPS meter. Now from here just scroll down and install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on FPS meter. Now just enable this toggle at the top right of your screen. Now just tap on Allow. From here, just scroll down and tap on Real-Time FPS meter. Now just enable this toggle on the screen. Now just go back and give this app this permission. Now, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the FPS meter on our smartphone. From here, you can increase or decrease the size of the FPS meter numbers. And also you can change the text position from right to left. And from here, you can change the text position from top to bottom. Just like that. And also you can change the color of the FPS meter. Just like that. And this is how you can enable FPS meter on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.